Guys, a few weeks ago I made a video about Stretch Armstrong. It is on the channel, by the way. This toy is interesting cause it always goes back to its normal shape. Even TIMON is interested how it works. I asked you what's inside. Most of you even guessed. Well, but guys, the ballistic gel is gelatin. Yes, gelatin. And just gelatin never goes back to its normal shape. So guys, no choice. I've got to do that. Really, today. Okay, the last stretch. I mean, the real one. But the last. Well, you see that gelatin can't do this. Oops, spoiled the haircut of Stretch Armstrong. And you know what? I think it's not a ballistic gel, but something like non-Newtonian fluid, which just gets solid when you use strength against it. Just check it out. That's what I said. Just became solid. Okay guys, are you ready? Well, I am ready. Well, I'm not asking this guy, cause he's got no choice. Just hope no guts inside. That... okay. Holy, just look at this. Is that glue? Okay guys, it looks like slime. It does not look like anything I've seen before. Like really glue but not sticky. And still goes back to its normal shape. I don't even know, but what if... okay, just look at this. And what would you say now? Still goes back to its normal shape, even in such state. Guys, who knows how to make such a fluid? Tell me in comments, I really need it. And here, I still have a little Stretch Armstrong for the next video. That's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and take care.